Hello kids, I hope you all are doing fine. We'll be covering tenses today. Let's begin. We all know that there are three types of tenses: past, present and future tense. And there are certain auxiliaries which are used for these tenses. For past we use was, were, had. For present we use is, am, are, have, had. And for future we use will, shall. Along with this, your subject is also important. Subject इसके लिए important होता है because the change in your verb or auxiliary depends on the subject. First person, that is I. Second person, that is you. And third person, that is he, she, it, they. You'll come to know how this happens once we take examples. Okay. Now, let's see. हर एक टेंस हम चार अलग अलग वेज में चेंज करते हैं. सिंपल, कंटिन्यूस, परफेक्ट एंड परफेक्ट कंटिन्यूस. ये तीनों टेंसेस में होता है, प्रेजेंट में, पास्ट में और फ्यूचर में. लेट्स सी हाउ. फॉर सिंपल प्रेजेंट टेंस, what I will use is pure present form of the verb. Let's take an example. I ring the bell. So ring here is the pure present form of the verb. Okay. If I talk about continuous, we use is, am, are plus the present participle form of the verb. Let's see the example to know this better. I am ringing the bell. Because it is I'll use am, and the present participle is ringing. Okay, I'm using the ing form, that's why it's present participle. Fine. Moving on to perfect. Present perfect tense में we'll use has, have plus past participle form of the verb. I have rung the bell. With I we use have, and rung is the past participle form of the verb ring, which we use here. Okay. For perfect continuous, it is has, have plus been plus present participle form of the verb. So we use I have been ringing the bell. I have been, the present participle ringing the bell. This is how it is changed in all the four ways. Moving on to past tense. Here also we change it in the same four ways. यहाँ पे simple past tense में हम pure past tense लेंगे. जहाँ पे हमने present में pure present tense लिया था, हम यहाँ पे pure past tense form of the verb लेंगे. जैसे वहाँ पे था I ring the bell, तो यहाँ पे होगा I rang the bell. Okay, rung is the past participle form and the pure past tense is rang. Okay. Now, continuous में if we see, we'll use either was or were plus the present participle form of the verb. For example, I was ringing the bell. Was makes it past and we have to use the present participle because we have to keep it in the continuous form. That's why we use ringing. So it becomes like this: I was ringing the bell. Moving on to perfect tense. We use had plus past participle form of the verb. So I had, past participle we already know it is rung the bell. This makes it perfect. Past perfect tense. Next, perfect continuous tense. Had plus been plus present participle form of the verb. So uska example goes like this: I had been ringing the bell. Now had makes it past, ringing makes it the present participle which we use is ringing. So it is past perfect continuous. Ringing makes it continuous. Moving on to future tense. Now, simple future tense here we'll be using will, shall plus the pure present tense form. Okay, pure present tense form क्या था? Ring. So यहाँ पे हम वो use करेंगे. Let's see the example. I will ring the bell. Simple future tense समझ में आता है? I will ring the bell. Now, future continuous tense. Will, shall plus be plus present participle form of the verb. The example goes like this: I will be ringing the bell. So will, be, and present participle is needed because we have to keep it continuous. So we use ing form with the pure present tense form of the verb. Okay. Next, we move on to the perfect form of future tense. Same will, shall plus have plus past participle form of the verb. So the example goes like this: I will have rung the bell. So it makes the sentence perfect. Future perfect tense. And perfect continuous goes like this: will, shall plus have plus been plus present participle form of the verb. I will have been, the present participle, ringing the bell. Now, let me make one thing clear. Why do we use present participle form in the continuous way and the past participle form in the perfect way? The difference is here we have to keep it continuous. मतलब यहाँ पे काम अभी भी चालू है. Okay? And यहाँ पे in the perfect form we have just finished the work. Either it be present, past or future tense. We have just finished the work, so it will be past participle form of the verb. Clear? So अब जो हमने देखा, it was active form of the three tenses. Now we will be seeing the passive form of the same three tenses. Yes, there are two forms. Definitely active and passive is a different topic altogether, but they are interrelated. Tenses and active passive are interrelated. Let's see. Passive voice का present tense, simple present tense. Now active voice में कैसा था? हम यहाँ पे क्या यूज करते थे? Pure present tense form, right? Yes, but here we will be using am, is, are plus the past participle form of the verb. Now as it is passive voice, majority things will happen in past tense. Yes, let's see how. The bell is rung by me. What was the example over there? I ring the bell. Now here, as it is in the passive voice, it will get converted. It will change itself. So it will be the bell is rung by me. Now, for continuous, again it's am, is, are plus being. Because we have to keep it continuous, we have to use ing. So we use being plus the past participle form of the verb. So the bell is being rung by me. I hope it is clear. The bell is being rung by me. Now for the present, for the perfect form, have, has plus been, as the work has just completed, plus past participle form of the verb. So the bell has been rung by me. Okay, and for perfect continuous, we use has, have plus been plus present participle form of the verb. Yes, it looks familiar because active or passive voice में perfect continuous तीनों tenses का present, past और future तीनों tenses का same होता है. I repeat, active and passive voice में तीनों tense का perfect continuous form same होता है. Okay, so it's I have been ringing the bell. Moving towards past tense. The passive form of past tense, simple past tense goes like this. वहाँ पे हम क्या यूज़ करते थे एक्टिव फॉर्म में? प्योर पास्ट टेंस फॉर्म, राइट? तो रिंग का हो जाता था रैंग. अब यहाँ पे वी आर यूजिंग इट इन अ डिफरेंट वे. वॉज, वर प्लस पास्ट पार्टिसिपल फॉर्म ऑफ द वर्ब. Okay, so the example goes like this: the bell was rung by me. Because यहाँ पे हम हर जगह पे past participle यूज कर रहे हैं, so it will be rung in the place of verb. हर verb की जगह पे we'll find almost the same word. Okay, continuous. Was, were plus being plus past participle form of the verb. So being यहाँ पे क्यों again? Because we have to keep it continuous. So the bell was being rung by me. Okay. So I was doing that thing in the past. Now for perfect, had plus been plus past participle form of the verb. So the bell had been, past participle is rung by me. Correct? And the perfect continuous goes the same as it was in the active voice. And lastly, we cover the future tense. So simple future tense, will, shall plus be plus past participle form of the verb. एक्टिव में क्या था? विल, शैल प्लस प्योर प्रेजेंट टेंस, लेकिन यहाँ पे पास्ट पार्टिसिपल यूज करेंगे हम बी के साथ. ओके. द बेल विल बी रंग बाय मी. ओके. कंटिन्यूस इज नॉट एप्लीकेबल, एंड फॉर फ्यूचर टेंस, फॉर परफेक्ट, वी यूज इट लाइक दिस: विल, शैल प्लस हैव प्लस बीन plus past participle form of the verb. Let's see the example. The bell will have been rung by me. And again, the perfect continuous is same as it was in the active form. So I hope you are thorough with the concept of tenses.